My name is Bob. I'm one of the product experts here at eComfort, and I'd like to show you how to use the page Tankless Water Heater Buying Guide today. So to get to that page, you enter in keyword or item number, type in Tankless Water Heater Buying Guide, and it'll bring you to this page. What this page does is it basically guides you through how to pick the correct tankless water heater. The difference between a tankless water heater and a tank water heater gives you unlimited amount of flow for a limited amount of time, whereas a tankless water heater gives you a limited amount of flow for an unlimited amount of time. So you really basically never run out of hot water. But to do that, what limits your flow is how many gallons per minute you can use at any given point with a certain water heater. A standard shower head, for instance, is going to use 2 gallons per minute, whereas a standard faucet uses 1 gallon per minute. When you take into account all of the things that you want to have, all the faucets that you want to have on in your home at the same time, you add them up into the guide here. And in this case, I have 2 showers at 2 gallons per minute, a quantity 2, that we're going to have 4 gallons per minute at one time running at the same time. So we know what our flow is going to be. Now we need to know what the temperature rise for that flow is going to be. Tankless water heater, basically you want to have 110 degree output temperature. At 110 degrees, that's an ideal temperature for mixing it with cold water to give you a good shower or give you good hot water at a sink. So the country is broken out into different zones or regions depending on what the coldest temperature for that region is during the year in the wintertime. So around Chicago, we're at 47 degrees. So with 47 degree groundwater temperature and our desired outlet temperature being 110, that'll give us a 63 degree temperature rise. That's what we're going to be looking for in our hot water heater, is 4 gallons per minute at a 60 degree temperature rise. In the next video, I'll show you how to continue on and go to shop all tankless water heaters. Thank you.